I was working in my garden, and I thought it would be a nice video to show you what I do. I got these from a person that was just selling for dirt cheap because it was moving. So this is really good dirt. So when I was lifting up this, I felt like a Wonder Woman. So every time I lift up things, I have this emotion being a Woman, and I just love this emotion. So I was carrying this to my little garden. Kitty is here. My cats, they're always hungry. This is the bowl from the kid of my renter next door. It has been sunny day, and I had long pants and I got hot, and I said this will be good to get the sun and working in the yard. So I use this and I try to remove some of the dirt. My little garden become bigger and bigger. Last year I had so many tomatoes that I had to share with all the close friends that I love. The ground it's hard in this moment because it has not been raining for about a week or more. Smokey is here, keep me company. Oh no, don't go. He wants to potty in my little garden. Go. Oh, I hurted him a little bit. No, go away. So this is what I found in my little garden when I dig it. All kind of stone, big nails. Oh look, I found another plastic pieces. So because I have extra soil that is very rich, I prefer to remove this old dirt and to put the better dirt. Because it's easier to remove the weeds. For example, those weeds, when it's on regular dirt, it's harder to pull away. So I take a little bit out. Now the sun went in the clouds, but earlier it was really very sunny day. Last year I had 100 watermelons, and because they were too close to each other, only 2 survived it, and I just, from the 2 watermelon, I just got 1 watermelon, but it was sweet and very tasty. So I'm gonna take this healthy dirt. I threw this weed. So now that I have this dirt, it's so much easier to get the weeds when they will grow. So I have seeds from other watermelon that I ate. Since I'm a frugal person, I always think how to spend less money as possible. I love watermelon. It's one of my favorite fruit. So I put in the ground. So even if it does not grow all, I don't regret it because I did not spend no money on the seeds. I try to put the seeds with the thing up so that will grow correctly. So I'm looking forward to eat free watermelons. I used to be a city girl. I moved at the countryside 7 years ago. And I love to play with my plants. I got also some seeds for butterflies from one of my girlfriends because she knows I love butterflies. And I put it a few in this plant. So I hope it says that this plant is gonna attract butterflies. I did see the other day some butterflies in my yard. I love to stare to butterflies. Here is my mint. I got the mint from a survey guy. Last year it grew up, so I put in my smoothie because I read that it's really good for the guts. So I'm glad I got it for free. This is an onion from my girlfriend Natalie that she gave me for free. Last year it was too many plants and did not grow fully, and this year come back to life, so I'm really happy. This is some garlic from my girlfriend Natalie that come back to life from last year. It did not grow fully again because it was too many. Here I believe that it's a fruit. It's still a baby. And I can see here a little tomato plant. And here I see a watermelon. It's so small. Here is the shell of the eggs that I've been eating. I use my own vegetables and fruits. After I finish to eat, I just throw it in my little garden. It helps to give vitamins to the ground. And like this, I don't have to spend money for composting to the store. So another thing that I'm saving money to. Here is my banana. My older sister saw me throwing in the yard the peeling of banana, and she was making fun. Hey, soon you're gonna have a banana tree and you're gonna eat it for free. It was a joke. I laughed really pretty bad when she said that. This dirt is from the old dirt that I removed, and I thought what I'm gonna do with it. My renter next door, she asked me if she can have a dog, and I say yes. And I said, okay, but I would like that the dog does not destroy the house, and if it's poo in the yard, pick it up. Lucky the dog did not destroy the house, but it was a lot of poo in the yard, and I try to avoid it, to don't step in it, because the kids often throwing garbage in the yard, and I was picking up after them, even if I said several times, pick your own garbage. When my friend was coming to mow the yard, I had to pick up their garbage because I wanted to mow their side too, because they did not like it to do the yard work. So the dog make a deep hole in the ground. So I thought to be smart and use these things. You see, I can live this with no problem. So my renter used to live next door. Now I have a new renter. So I have to dig this. I have to make it full. Oh, looks I still have to put some more.